Namaste everyone. Let's start from top of the mat, feet together, palms together. Inhale and we stretch the arms up to the ceiling. Lengthening spine, shoulders up. Exhaling, reaching forward, knees softly bend if you round the back. Inhale, look forward, straight spine, again bend the knees if needed. Exhale, take a plank, chaturanga or drop knee, chest and chin down. Inhaling, bhujangasana. Try reaching up, looking at the back wall, elbows softly bend. Knees tight. Exhaling, down dog. Hips reaching to the ceiling, chest coming close to the thighs. Anytime you start to round the back, we want to make sure we are keeping the knees softly bent to keep the spine straight. We come forward, feet together, look forward. Exhaling, nose close to knee. Full forward bend. Making sure we come up with a straight spine, arms up. Exhaling, palms to chest. Okay, we'll practice this one more time. Inhale, arms up. Exhaling, forehead to knee. Navel in. Inhale, look forward. Exhaling, plank. Chaturanga or drop knee, chest and chin. Inhaling, bhujangasana. Knees really tight. We want to try looking at the back wall, reaching up to the ceiling at the same time. Exhaling, hips to ceiling. Feet will stay apart here. Take one full exhalation. Inhaling deeper, reaching up to the ceiling with the tailbone. We look forward, walking legs forward. Lean on the toe as we look forward. Exhaling, forehead to knee. Inhale, reaching up, straight spine, palms to chest. Full exhalation. We bend the knees, hips backward, arms up, and try reaching back. So we are pushing hips back, arms behind ears. Exhaling, forward bend. Inhale, look forward. Exhaling, plank. Take your push-up here or drop knee, chest, chin. Inhaling, bhujangasana. Navel can be lifted. We want to have elbows softly bent. Exhaling, down dog with a straight spine. Inhale, right foot forward. Check back heel on the floor. Left foot slightly pointing to left corner. Front knee, hip, ankle in one line. Arms reaching up. Checking your hip bones are pointing forward. Hands down. Take your push-up or knee, chest, chin. Inhaling, bhujangasana. Reaching up and back. Exhaling, down dog. Tailbone to ceiling, full exhalation. Inhaling, left foot forward. Check right foot, 60-degree angle. Front knee, ankle in line. Action to reach up with the arms, navel tight. Exhaling, plank. Push up or knee, chest, chin. Inhaling, reach up and back. No stress on the shoulder. Exhaling, down dog. We want to relax the breath here. Check if you are breathing fast. Try exhaling through mouth. Bend the knees if you round the back. Knees tight if your knees are straight. One full exhale, feet between hands, look forward. Exhaling, forehead to knee. Inhaling, Utkatasana. Try sitting lower, sitting back, arms backward, increasing the arch, exhaling, palms to chest. We'll practice one more round. We bend the knees, arms up, reaching back. Look for opening on the heart center. Exhaling, full forward bend. Inhale, look forward. Exhaling, plank. Push up or knee chest chin. Inhaling, bhujanga. Reaching to the back wall. Exhaling, down dog. Check knees if you need to bend. Inhale, right foot forward. Sinking hips, arms reaching, warrior one. Take a little backward bend if you feel comfortable. Exhaling, plank, push up or ashtanga. Inhaling, chest up, reaching back. Exhaling, down dog. Inhale, left foot forward. Do your best to keep the back heel down and let's reach up. Arms reaching up and towards the back wall, creating a little arch. Exhaling, plank, push up or knee, chest, chin. Inhaling, chest up. Check knees are really tight as we arch. Exhaling, down dog. We'll take few longer exhalation here. Action to reach up from the tailbone. Try to keep the navel tight. Walk feet forward, looking forward. Exhaling, forehead to knee, knees bent. Utkatasana, arching. Exhaling, palms to chest. Take one full exhalation here. As we inhale, we stretch arms up and we reach back, creating arch. Exhaling, forehead to knee. Inhale, right leg back, right knee down, looking up. Exhaling, left leg back, raising hips. Drop knee, chest between hands, chin. Inhaling, bhujangasana, reaching to the back wall. Exhaling, hips reaching up, feet together. Inhale, left foot forward, right knee on the floor, looking up to ceiling. Exhale, right foot forward, forehead to knee. Inhaling, reaching back, arms up. Exhaling, palms to chest. Left side, arms up, reaching back. Exhaling, forward bend. Inhale, left leg back, knee down. Check front knee, ankle in line. Exhale, right leg back. Bend the knees if needed. Ashtanga, chest between hands, chin down. Bhujangasana, deep inhalation. Exhaling, mountain. Mountain is with feet together. Inhale, right foot forward. Back knee on the floor, we arch. Feet together, forehead to knee. Inhale, reaching back, arms behind. Exhaling, palms to chest. Check one full exhalation again. We'll do one more round. Keep knees tight, arms up, backward bend. Exhaling, forehead to knee. Inhaling, right leg back, looking up. Exhale, left leg back, hips reaching up. Knee, chest and chin down. Inhale, bhujanga, knees tight, arching. Exhaling, mountain, knees tight if you can. Inhale, left foot forward, looking up to ceiling. Exhale, right foot forward, full forward bend. Inhaling, arms up, arching. Exhaling, palms to chest. Left side, arms reaching, backward bend. Exhaling, forward bend, navel tight. Inhale, left leg back, arching. Exhale, right leg back. Knees down, chest and chin. Inhale, Bhujanga, check knees tight. Exhaling, mountain, hips to ceiling. Inhale, right foot forward. Back knee on the floor, looking up. Exhaling, left foot forward. Okay, we will stay here. Check abdomen is on the thigh. Bend the knees a little extra. Otherwise, keep forehead close to knee. And we want to interlock the fingers behind the back. And see how much you can. Straighten the arm. Trying to pull to the front wall. Leaning a little extra on the toes. Keeping the navel tight. If you feel comfortable, you will look at the nose tip. Otherwise, we look forward. Relax the hands down. Inhale, backward bend. Arms can go wider. Exhaling, palms to chest. Take one full exhalation here. Check how this feels. Check the changes on the body temperature. Okay, we blink, open the eyes. We are sitting down for Padma Konasana. So bring soles together. If your knees are too far from the floor, you might have to walk feet forward or sit on a little height, block or a blanket. Shift left hand on right knee, right hand back, and we are taking a twist. Make sure we have a straight spine, so we want to keep reaching upward, and then right shoulder reaching backward. Relaxing the breath here. Navel stays tight. Take one full exhale, and we are switching. So left hand goes back, right hand on left knee. Remember to lengthen the spine. Make sure we are not rounding the back. And then keep twisting with every exhalation. And really feeling the twist on the spine. There is a little twist on the neck also as we look backward. Taking one full exhalation. And we come back, center. Let's take our Sukhasana. So take a simple cross-leg position. Keep left hand on the floor. Stretch right arm up. And then see how much you can lean to the side wall. If that's easy for you, drop left elbow on the floor. If you lift the hip up, stay on the left hand and walk on side stretch within your limit. Just see the chest stays open, neck is relaxed, and we keep leaning with the exhalation. One full exhale here, and we switch. Left arm up this time, right hand or right elbow on the floor. A little rotation on the spine, trying to turn the chest upward. Upper elbow straight, no stress on the neck. Navel gently active, pushing into the spine. Feeling the opening on the left side. If you can feel the stretch, that's the easiest way to connect with the body. We come back center, hands on the knees. You can take any mudra you like, eyes closed. And we do a little observation here. We've done few quick movements, checking the after effect of this practice. You might feel a little more open on the physical body, little more clarity on the mind. You might be able to breathe a little more better after the practice, feeling that recharged energy. Okay, we are keeping eyes closed and we settle down in Shavasana with legs open. We do a little ankle rotation clockwise and counterclockwise. Squeezing toes, opening few times. Make a fist. Take few rotations clockwise, counterclockwise. And we relax everything now. Checking all the joints. Checking lower back. Face relaxed. Eyes gently closed. Okay, we'll spend about 2 minutes here in Shavasana, keeping everything relaxed and still. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.